Today, we're putting two popular Autel scanners head-to-head, the Autel MS906S and the Autel MaxiCheck MX808. If you've been trying to decide which one is right for your garage, relax. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which scanner fits your needs and your budget. Let's get started.
Is the Autel MS906S really worth the jump for your workshop, or just another flashy scan tool? After using it on multiple cars, I've got some honest thoughts you'll want to hear before pulling the trigger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today, we're diving deep into the Autel MaxiCheck MS906S, a serious diagnostic tablet built for professional mechanics and dedicated DIYers alike. Let's see how it performs in the real world. What is it? The MS906S is part of Autel's MaxiCheck line, essentially a mid to upper tier diagnostic tablet offering full system access, bi-directional capabilities, coding, and lots of service functions. Think of it as more than just an OBD reader. We're talking shop-level diagnostics. According to reviews, this model features a hexa-core processor, 64 gigabytes memory, Android OS, and a wireless Bluetooth VCI Mini. Key features. Here are the standout features: all systems diagnostics, engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, body modules, and more. Bi-directional or active testing. Send commands to components to test them directly. Over 30 service functions: oil reset, SAS calibration, DPF regeneration, injector coding, and etc. Wireless communication, Bluetooth VCI Mini, for easier connection to the vehicle's OBD port. Strong hardware, 8-inch touchscreen, large storage, robust tablet feel. Supports wide range of vehicles, US, Asian, European makes, many modules. How to use. Using the MS906S is simple. Connect the VCI by cable or Bluetooth. Turn the ignition on. Select Auto Scan or enter vehicle info manually. Scan systems, view live data, or run active tests. Clear codes and save or export reports, all in one workflow. Unboxing and what's inside. In the box, you typically get the MS906S tablet, the VCI, the wireless Bluetooth module, OBD2 cable, perhaps older vehicle adapters depending on the bundle, a power charger, carry case. The build quality is solid, weighs like a rugged tablet rather than a cheap reader. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. Professional level diagnostics and active testing. 2. Wide coverage for multiple car brands. 3. Wireless connection and solid build quality. Cons. 1. Higher price than basic scanners. 2. Some new or rare vehicles need OEM tools. 3. Software updates required to keep full features. Price and value. Considering the functionality, if you're running a shop or doing serious diagnostics on multiple vehicle makes, the MS906S delivers a lot of capability for the money. If you're only occasionally checking engine codes on one make, it might be overkill. Think of it as investment in capability. So is the Autel MaxiCheck MS906S the right scanner for you? If you're serious about diagnostics, servicing many types of vehicles, and you want a tool that goes beyond basic code reading, then yes, this one is very capable and worth considering. If you're tired of cheap OBD2 scanners that only read engine codes, the Autel MaxiCheck MX808 might just change your whole game. This little tablet can scan your entire vehicle, engine, ABS, airbags, transmission, and more, just like a pro mechanic. But is it really worth the money? Let's find out in today's full hands-on review. Autel MaxiCheck MX808, one of the most popular all-system diagnostic tools from Autel. I'll show you exactly what it does, how to use it, its pros and cons, and whether it's still worth buying in 2025. So make sure to stick around till the end. You don't want to miss my final verdict. What is the Autel MaxiCheck MX808? The Autel MaxiCheck MX808 is a professional-level automotive diagnostic scanner made for DIYers, home mechanics, and small repair shops. It runs on Android, features a 7-inch touchscreen, and connects directly to your car's OBD2 port. Unlike cheap readers, it can scan all control modules, not just the engine, and perform special functions like oil reset, EPB reset, DPF regeneration, steering angle calibration, and BMS battery registration, injector coding, and TPMS functions. Key features. Let's talk about the main features that make the MX808 stand out. All-system diagnostics. Reads and clears codes from engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, and more. Auto VIN scan. Automatically identifies the vehicle and loads its data instantly. Service functions. Includes oil reset, EPB reset, DPF regeneration, steering angle calibration, BMS battery registration, injector coding, and TPMS functions. Live data in graphs. You can view sensor data in real time, graph it, compare it, and record it. User-friendly Android system. Fast quad-core processor and 7-inch touchscreen for easy navigation. Free updates for 1 year. Then optional paid updates afterward. Multilingual support. English, Spanish, French, etc. Unboxing. Inside the box, you'll get the Autel MaxiCheck MX808 tablet, OBD2 main cable, power adapter, USB cable, quick start guide and user manual, hard carrying case. Everything fits nicely and feels professional. The case is rugged and protects your investment. Pros and cons. Pros. All systems scan like professional tools. Live data graphing and recording. Easy touchscreen interface. Tons of special service functions. Excellent build quality. 1 year free software updates. Cons. No ECU programming or coding. After first year, updates are paid. Some latest model cars may need gateway access. Slightly bulky for handheld use. Final thoughts. So, is the Autel MaxiCheck MX808 worth it? Absolutely. If you're a DIY mechanic, small shop owner, or car enthusiast who wants advanced diagnostics without paying thousands for dealer tools. Just remember, it's not a full programming tool, but for diagnostics and maintenance, it's outstanding.
By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.